Hello, everyone. All right, so I am here to let you know that I have found two solutions to the itchy wig problem. When I started wearing wigs just a few weeks ago, I started out with synthetic wigs, and let me tell you, my little bald head does not like synthetic wigs. But I have found a solution to that. So, what I did is I did a bunch of research on all of the different wig liner caps. Of course, when you buy wigs, they come with the little nylon wig caps. Basically, a pantyhose that you wear on your head. Is super fancy. What I found with the nylon, I think between the nylon and the synthetic combined with the cap built into the wig, I think it was just like an itchy hell built into my scalp. And so I would wear the wigs and not even like 30 minutes to an hour into wearing the wigs, I'm like an itchy mess, like, oh my God, get this thing off of my head. But so this wig right here, I have been wearing it all day today, so about 5-6 hours, and I haven't had any problems with it itching. So let me show you my secret. Take my wig off. Let me show you this liner. So this is a bamboo liner, and it is very, very soft, very flexible material. And I got this little bad boy off of Amazon. Super cheap. It's like $10. Not a big deal at all. And so I found this by just searching for, itchy relief for wigs with people with bald heads. Because what I have found is that people with hair that wear wigs don't tend to have the itchiness as bad as people who are bald like myself. So I had to find a unique solution to a, I guess, not so unique problem. So the only problem that I have with this little guy is that it's not so little. And so for people with larger heads, this will be fine for. But for people with smaller heads like myself, it's a little big and it's a lot looser than the nylon liners, which is kind of fine with me because part of the problem with the nylon liners for me is that after wearing it all day, when I take it off, I have this line all around my head, and I tend to get headaches from the nylon liners. So that's no good. So what I do is when I put this little guy on, since it's a little bigger, I just roll it up a little bit so that it's on there a little more secure. And then I just put the wig back on. Y'all don't laugh. It's a kind of a pain getting the wig back adjusted. So, yeah. So that's all I do is I just put the wig back on and adjust it a little bit. And it's not perfect, whatever. It's fine. It's fine for what it is right now. So that's solution number one that I found. That's to help with the synthetic wigs. Now, I have found another wig solution that was recommended by a group that I'm in on Facebook. They all highly recommended that for people with sensitive heads that are sensitive to itchies, that you get hand-tied wigs. Now, I ordered this wig, and this one is hand-tied. And so it's a lot softer on the inside, and it doesn't itch as bad. And this is a really pretty wig. I really like it a lot. It's got a human hair blend. And so the hair is really soft and flexible, and it's not like helmet-like this one. And so that one, this wig, I actually prefer to wear this wig without a liner at all. It stays on my head a little more snug without the liner, and it doesn't move around, and it doesn't itch, it doesn't bother me. And so like with this one, I wore it all day yesterday and did not wear a liner with it at all. And it worked out beautifully, didn't itch at all, didn't bother me. Now I will tell you one solution that did not work for me. I ordered this little guy. This is a wig band. And the way this is supposed to work is it's Velcro. And so supposedly you wear this under your wig and attach it under your wig, and it's supposed to help the wig not slip. And I have not so far found this to work very well. This itches. Even though it's really soft, it's like a velvety material, it still itches, and that kind of sucks. Another thing that I don't like about it, and maybe this is another small head problem, but this part right here, it tends to like bunch up down here in the back. And so even though it's probably not noticeable to anybody else, I can still feel it back there, and I'm like constantly like trying to adjust it and move it to where it's not bunched up. So that kind of bugs me. So the itchiness combined with it's not doing its job of keeping the wigs staying put, and it's a bunchiness problem, this isn't my favorite. You know, I gave it a try. I'm testing things out. I'm trying to find my wig groove here. So if you all are trying to find your wig groove and you are experiencing the itchy scalp problem, these are your solutions. Get you a bamboo liner or get a hand-tied wig. The hand-tied wigs are a little bit more expensive than, you know, like the $30, $40 wigs that you would buy on Amazon, but they're not that much more expensive, and I will tell you, comfort is priceless. So that's my tips for the day. Hope you all found it helpful.